Every day, companies and public organisations see their data growing exponentially in terms of volume, structure, sources, and transformation processes. At the same time, data has become both the most valuable asset and a really frustrating uphill to climb. That's where data teams come to play, helping to discover real value hidden within this data. But a lot of different roles play a part in this game. Business is always advocating for the protection and growth of the organisation and its budget, and technology establishes security guidelines to ensure data protection and privacy. So sooner than later, problems appear. Business needs are not always expressed in the same language data teams speak, leading to problems in data transformations and maintenance. Engineers have to deal with multiple data sources with inconsistent structures, credentials, owners, and documentation. Communication of structural changes doesn't always reach every interested stakeholder, leaving teams with outdated information for months. Or people just switch teams or quit, leaving an array of orphan data artifacts, often poorly backed up by undocumented sanity tasks. Due to these problems, data engineers frequently work using manual and bespoke processes that are time-consuming, not scalable, and error-prone. That is where we come into play. Introducing Rudol, a data quality platform that helps companies understand all their data sources, reduce excessive communication in reporting processes or urgencies, and accelerate data quality diagnosing and issue prevention through easy steps. With Rudol, each organisation is able to add data sources with a standardised structure so people can understand where and how the data is stored, read and collaborate with its documentation, or easily contact data owners using our integrations. Rudol also helps teams communicate less and better by providing activity logs to make it easy to audit structural changes, and subscription capabilities so people are immediately informed when changes are detected. Rudol also helps you understand data transformation processes and prevent problems with very little effort by using no-code, easy-to-configure validation rules. These rules allow interested roles to validate anything they need about a data source, whether it's about inconsistencies, validation of business rules, volume, or speed, without the need to have direct access to the data source. So with Rudol, you will always be able to know what data your company handles, its structure, its universe of stakeholders, and all dependencies on other sources and people. All while at the same time massively reducing communication needs and facilitating quality control for everyone. Try Rudol now and start democratizing data quality within your organization.